Today, there exists a military system in the world that everyone has heard about, and at the same time, almost no one truly understands. We see aircraft, ships, bases, uniforms, technology, but that is only the visible layer. Behind it lies a deeper structure of processes, coordination, and capabilities that rarely enter the public eye. The U.S. military is not just armed forces in the traditional sense. It is a global mechanism operating continuously across land, sea, air, space, and the digital domain. Most people measure military power in numbers, how many tanks, aircraft, or ships. But real power begins where visibility ends. It starts with the ability to act quietly, precisely, and at the right moment. Modern military strength is built on information, logistics, analysis, and integration. The visible hardware is only the final tool. The real advantage is formed long before any movement begins. Every operation, no matter how small it appears, is the result of a long chain of processes. First comes information gathering. Multiple sources create fragments of a larger picture. These fragments are analyzed, compared, and turned into understanding. Only then does planning begin, and only at the final stage do the people on the ground, in the air, or at sea step into action. What may look like a sudden event is actually the last link in a complex system working quietly behind the scenes. The land component forms the foundation. Ground forces operate where physical presence matters, infrastructure, territory, stability, but they never act alone. Above them is air support. Around them is a network of intelligence. Behind them stands logistics, ensuring continuous supply. In parallel to all this exists another layer, specialized units designed for tasks where conventional approaches do not apply. These specialized units are built for complexity. Their preparation focuses not only on physical endurance, but on decision-making under pressure, adaptability, and teamwork in small, autonomous groups. Yet even they are only one part of a broader system. Their effectiveness depends on information, coordination, and support structures that remain largely invisible. Information itself has become a decisive resource. Satellites, sensors, communication systems, and analytical centers form a network that collects and processes data constantly. Speed of understanding can be as important as physical capability. The ability to connect signals from different domains, land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace, creates an integrated picture of reality. Cyberspace adds another dimension. There are no visible borders, yet its importance continues to grow. Protection of digital systems, communication stability, and resilience of infrastructure are now essential parts of overall security architecture. This invisible layer supports everything else. At sea, mobility provides flexibility. Naval platforms can operate far from home territory, offering sustained presence and operational options. In the air, speed connects regions and reduces distances. Aviation supports movement, observation, and coordination. In space, orbital systems provide navigation, communication, and global awareness. None of these domains function independently anymore, They are interconnected parts of one network, but even the most advanced structure cannot function without logistics. Supply chains form the backbone. Fuel, maintenance, equipment, medical support, all must move continuously. A system's real strength depends not only on what it possesses, but on how reliably it can sustain operations over time. Behind technology stand people. Analysts, engineers, operators, logisticians, technicians, thousands of roles that rarely appear in headlines, yet without them the system would stop. Complexity demands coordination, training, and discipline at every level. Human factors remain as important as technical ones. Modern systems must also operate under uncertainty. Situations change quickly. Planning includes multiple scenarios, backup channels, and alternative routes. Resilience becomes as important as capability. The system must adapt without losing effectiveness. When people speak about secrets they see in numerous, they often imagine hidden missions or unknown technology. But the main secret is usually structural. It lies in how multiple layers are integrated into a single functioning architecture. When everything works smoothly, the system itself remains invisible. The result is a structure where actions appear fast and precise, almost instantaneous. Yet behind each action stands years of development, infrastructure, procedures, and coordination. The visible result is only the surface of a deeper process. In the modern environment, boundaries between domains continue to fade. Physical and digital realities overlap. Information moves across levels instantly. A system capable of operating across all these dimensions simultaneously gains a strategic advantage.